Meaning of function.
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 Function. In programming, a function is a set of instructions that performs a specific task and can be reused throughout the program. It's a self-contained block of code that can take inputs, process them, and return outputs. Functions make programs more modular, easier to understand, and more scalable by breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable units. They're commonly used for repetitive tasks, calculations, and data manipulation. By encapsulating logic within functions, programmers can reduce errors, improve code readability, and promote code reuse. Overall, functions are a fundamental concept in programming and play an essential role in software development.